there, it's Alex from WTI. This is the first time I've ever had to put together a miniature library kit. And I gotta tell you, it was a lot of fun. I love the whimsical vibe that this library gives off. The details are incredible. From the category labels and the picture art, the flowers, the coffee mugs, they've truly thought of the best ideas that make this library seem complete, cozy, and inviting. What I liked the most about this kit was the variety of tasks involved. You have to assemble literally everything from scratch. So you're putting the furniture together piece by piece, and oh my goodness, the tons and tons of books. And then you're upholstering a chair next. They include 2 types of glue, which is good for either the wood parts assembly or the fine gluing tasks like gluing the tiny pieces of paper together. Watching it all come together was absolutely fascinating. If you're really adventurous, you can decorate the library how you like, but I stuck with the model that they provided. No going off script here. I think this would be a great gift idea for someone who either likes putting puzzles or block kits together, or for making the kit for somebody who really likes to read. I think it would look absolutely darling on a bookshelf, which is where my miniature kit is going to live. I enjoyed my time thoroughly watching this kit come to life from ROBOTIME, and that's my point of view.